boy. This plane is never gonna work.
Rocket! Okay, I've walked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck! Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
I need help!
The Big Bang!
I've seen Peter.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator. We're rich.
Oh yeah?
We'll see about that.
Rocket, get us home.
You know what really helps? An instruction manual.
I will destroy you.
Yeah. We get that all the time.
Rocket, anytime.
Okay.
Let me try this.
Milky Way just formed.
Milk gives me gas.
We're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, link your stop latches. You have him contained, but not for long. I won't. Would I be perfect?
Oh, well, nobody's perfect.
We're back. Rocking coordinates for Epcot.
It's Epcot.
Remind me to raise our rates.
I am Groot.
Okay, it's a good thing Skyler wasn't able to go on that
You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve
one.
to
Oh my gosh, that was
If you see
incredible.
it,
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
you are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Holy smokes.
You good?
Yeah, a few times I was like, oh, I'm getting queasy, but like not in a terrible way, but yeah.